The next great event which will be discussed is found in chapter Fiqh al-An'am, verses 78 to 79.
And when he saw the sun rising, he said, "This is my Lord, this is greater." But when it set, he said, "O my people, indeed I am free from what you associate with Allah. Indeed I have turned my face, i.e., self, toward He who created the heavens and the earth, inclining toward truth, and I am not of those who associate others with Allah."
The Holy Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, rejected the false gods of his people and instead declared his complete submission to Allah, the Exalted. He specifically rejected their false gods by indicating their temporal nature, such as the setting of the sun they worshipped, which directly challenged their misplaced devotion to them. It is important for Muslims not to follow in their footsteps by misplacing their devotion and dedication to the excess and unnecessary elements of this material world or to others, beyond the limits set by Islam. Just like the things pointed out by the Holy Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, fade away and are temporary in nature, so is this material world. Chapter 18 Al-Kahf, verse 8.
And indeed, we will make that which is upon it into a barren ground.
So unnecessarily dedicating one's efforts to the fading material world is pointless, and making it one's main focus, the center of their universe and the purpose of their existence, is simply foolish, as it will eventually pass away with their efforts. Otherwise, they will only be left with dust, regrets, and the consequences of their actions. This reality is quite obvious when one reflects on their own life, and those moments, things and people which seem to be great and enduring, yet they all faded away as if they never existed in the first place. One should instead follow in the footsteps of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and the righteous predecessors by striving in this material world in order to fulfill their necessities and the necessities of their dependents without waste or extravagance. They should use the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, so that they obtain peace of body and mind in both worlds. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
This will ensure that when the material world passes away, they are left with blessings and righteous deeds which will aid them in their greatest moment of need. This is how one turns their face to the one who created the heavens and the earth, just like the Holy Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, did. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.